Will the Bitcoin price break out of this rising wedge and go to a specific price target right here? Or will the Bitcoin price make a savage dumpage to the downside, breaking out of this rising wedge and going to this rumpage, awesome support over here? What will happen? Stay tuned and watch today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. Hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price right here. We can see in the 4-hour time frame, there's a big rising wedge in which the Bitcoin price has been following for some time now, around a month. This rising wedge has been forming for the Bitcoin price. Right now, the Bitcoin price found resistance at the top of this horizontal blue line, got rejected. Now the Bitcoin price is trying to hold that Fibonacci retracement as support, this gray line over here, which is here. Look at that, here. If the Bitcoin price can't find support around this Fibonacci retracement, it will most likely go to this Fibonacci retracement around the $44,000 area, and also has confluence with this support line in the rising wedge right here. Also, if the Bitcoin price breaks out of this rising wedge, the price target would be measured like this for the rising wedge, like this. Boom, boom. With the target here, around here, and the price target would be around the $55,000 area for the Bitcoin price right here. If the rising wedge breaks bullish like this, breaks out, confirm, and continuation. And also the volume has to keep increasing in order for that to happen. The technical target for this rising wedge, if it breaks bearish, would be around this price target, around the $29,000 area, which I think that's not going to happen. If the Bitcoin price breaks a bearish rising wedge breakout right here, then I think, and most likely, the Bitcoin price will hold support around this horizontal blue line, which is around the $40,000 area. There's a Fibonacci retracement over here, and also there's another Fibonacci retracement over here around the $42,000 area, and that would be very good. And anyways, for the Bitcoin price, because the Bitcoin price has been going very vertical for some time now, so the Bitcoin price hasn't gotten a huge pullback in order for the Bitcoin price to remain in a bullish stance, and it can easily continue to the upside. But in order to do that, the Bitcoin price will have to do this or consolidate and then go, because the Bitcoin price can't keep doing this forever. So eventually, the more vertical the Bitcoin price goes, it will be harsher the pullback it will do when it pulls back. So right now, this strong resistance right here around the blue line here has been broken. So the Bitcoin price hasn't retested that as support. It doesn't have to, but it will most likely do so. Why? Because the Bitcoin price has been going very vertical. In order for the Bitcoin price to keep going upwards, the Bitcoin price will have to consolidate, have pullbacks, and then continuation. The Bitcoin price just doesn't do this like forever. It doesn't go in a straight line forever. It's just, that's how it works. And also another thing that confirms that the Bitcoin price will most likely receive a rejection right here, go back to this $44,000 area, and possibly break out of this rising wedge, and then hold this as support to then keep going upwards, because that's mostly what's going to happen because of the vertical price action in the Bitcoin price. And we can see also the volume here is decreasing in the 4-hour time frame, as you can see right there. Also, going into the RSI, this is the 4-hour time frame for the RSI in the Bitcoin price. Huge bearish divergence right there. Momentum of the RSI is going lower while the Bitcoin price is going higher, and the volume is decreasing. That's a very good indication that the Bitcoin price will consolidate and most likely go to the downside for some time in order for the Bitcoin price to continue. Also, the target for this pattern has been met almost completely, because you can see right here that measuring this pattern like this, breakout target right here, boom, the Bitcoin price is very close to meeting the complete target right there. But the Bitcoin price can get easily rejected right here because of the vertical price action for the Bitcoin price. And so also the Bitcoin price got rejected exactly at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracements around the $48,000 area, received a rejection. The Bitcoin price can't hold also this gray line, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement around the $46,700 area. Then it will most likely go to the next Fibonacci retracement right here around the $44,000 area, which is a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. And if it can't hold that, then it will go to the next Fibonacci retracement, this gray line, the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement around the $42,500 area right there. And so yeah, pulling out some indicators right here, you can see that the CPR pivot points, the Bitcoin price is on top of this important CPR support line in the green line over here. You see that? Support. Now it's trying to consolidate to then make another attempt to keep going upwards, or doesn't hold support to then keep going to the downside right here. But that is yet to come. This green line is the monthly pivot points for the CPR indicator. Pulling out the Williams Alligator indicator in the 4-hour time frame, you can see right here the Bitcoin price also is very close to this red line. That's a very strong support also. Pulling out the EMA ribbon right here, also around this area is a very strong support. Around this Fibonacci retracement, and there's confluences with the EMA ribbon in the 4-hour time frame right there also. So yeah guys, the price action for the 4-hour time frame in the Bitcoin price is bullish right now. The price is above the EMA ribbon. The Bitcoin price is above these three lines, which is the green line above the red line is above the blue line. This is the Williams Alligator indicator. That's a bullish thing also. And the Bitcoin price is on top of this green monthly pivot points for the CPR indicator. So that's also a bullish thing for the Bitcoin price. Also, going to the daily time frame, the RSI is showing a huge bearish divergence right here in the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price there. That's a huge bearish divergence because this is the daily time frame. Like this has a lot of impact. So watch out for that, guys. That's what I'm saying. It has a lot of confluence in which I think the Bitcoin price will have to get a pullback at least around this, the $42,500 area at least, because this vertical action has to have some pullbacks and some consolidation in order to keep going upwards. It's normal. Also in the daily time frame, the 200 daily simple moving average, the Bitcoin price is above this simple moving average, which is a very strong support right there. And also the daily EMA ribbon has confluence with the Bitcoin price, because around the price action I'm stating that the Bitcoin price will most likely go, which is around this area, this Fibonacci retracement as minimum. Look at the EMA ribbon, look at the Bitcoin price, is far above. The Bitcoin price can keep going upwards, but not for long because of this decreasing volume. RSI is showing bearish divergences. The Bitcoin price has been vertical for some time now, around a month, without having enough of a pullback to keep going forward, because the Bitcoin price will have to consolidate and have pullbacks in order to keep going upwards, like I said before. So going to the 1-hour time frame, we can see right here in the RSI, look at the huge bearish divergence there. Boom. Right now there's another bearish divergence right there for the Bitcoin price in the 1-hour time frame in the RSI indicator. Also right here in the 1-hour time frame in the immediate short term, strong support around this 1-hour time frame would be around this trend line around the $44,500 area, and a very strong support will be this Fibonacci retracement around the $44,000 area for the Bitcoin price. Pulling out the Williams Alligator indicator, the Bitcoin price is starting to lose this red line as support, so very strong support. So it's acting as resistance right now for the Bitcoin price. So if the Bitcoin price can't get above this red line, then it will most likely continue a downtrend. Pulling out to the 1 hour time frame EMA ribbon, the Bitcoin price is bullish right now, but the red volume is starting to increase, like you see right here. That's a high, that's a big red candle in the volume section for the 1 hour time frame in the Bitcoin price. The bearish divergence right here, volume is decreasing, and also the red volume is increasing also. Also, this looks kind of like a head and shoulders there, and there. And the price targets will be like this. This will be the neckline. Price target will be measured like this, head and shoulders like this, and has confluence with this price target around the Fibonacci retracement here, the $44,000 area around here. That will be the target for this head and shoulders, which is starting to occur right now. So watch out for that, guys. Also guys, going into the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price again, just for a second. Also, the Bitcoin price is following this channel, upwards channel right here also. So it has confluence right here for a very strong support around this Fibonacci retracement, the gray line, and also this yellow line around the $42,500 area. So that would be a very strong support right there. Also guys, in the 10-minute time frame for the Bitcoin price, you can see right here the head and shoulders like I showed you in the 1 hour time frame here. There. Neckline would be around here. There. And you can see RSI, bearish divergences here. The red volumes are starting to increase. Also the volume is decreasing at the same time. And so the targets for these head and shoulders will be measured like this, as I mentioned before, here, there, and like so. That has confluence with this support line around the $44,400 area right there. And yeah guys, that will be the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price in the 10-minute time frame also, if it happens, because the Bitcoin price can do this, and then the head and shoulders will kind of be invalidated, depends. But right now, that's why I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price to have a pullback, because the Bitcoin price has been increasing by a lot and hasn't taken a break, which is a good thing, because the more the Bitcoin price takes a break, the higher it will go in this bull run. So that's why it's also a great thing for the Bitcoin price to take some breaks and also continue to the upside like this. So yeah guys, that is today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions. Also, if you would like to support my YouTube channel, you can click on the Bybit link in the description below, where you can deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin and you can get an estimation of $500 for depositing a certain amount of Bitcoin using my Bybit link in the description below. Only use the Bybit link in the description below if you're an experienced trader and you know what you're doing in the Bitcoin market, because trading with leverage is very risky. So watch out guys. If you're not an experienced trader and you don't know what you're doing in the Bitcoin market, then don't use my Bybit link in the description below. Follow me on my social medias on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching guys. I appreciate your time for watching this video. Have a nice day guys. Take care and peace out guys.